Welcome back to Early Riser Workshop. Well, it's really cold in the workshop this time of year, so I brought this project indoors. Here I have the Portable Plaster Workstation set up on my dining room table with a towel underneath it to protect the table. As I push against it, it's nice and secure against the tabletop. But before I begin my project with clay, I want to add a piece of canvas to the top of the plaster. I'll start that project next. The top of the workstation measures 14¼ inches to the outer edges by 13 inches on the outer edges. I'm going to measure a little bit longer on the canvas to cut it, allowing for a folding hem, so to speak, on both the front edge of the workstation and the back edge of the workstation. I'm also going to allow for a 1/2 inch fold over hem on the top along the sides above the handle. Okay, now that the fabric is cut to size, I'll be able to fold the side edges, leaving about a 1/2 inch doubled. And then that piece will line up equally on the edge, and I'll be able to staple that in place. This in place, we can now treat the front edges, giving us about 1 inch of an overlap. Pulling tight. So setting it up on its edge, I'm going to fold stretch, staple this edge. Okay, now we'll flip it on this edge and finish stapling these points. And with that, we've completed applying a canvas top to our portable plaster workstation. Thank you for watching Early Riser Workshop.